Using FOIL to multiply binomials. Whenever we have a binomial times a binomial, what we want to do is, in using FOIL, we're going to take the first terms of the binomial, which would be AX and CX, and we're going to multiply those terms together, which we would get ACX squared. Then we're going to take the outer terms, which is AX times D, to get ADX. And then we're going to multiply the inner terms, which is B times CX, which become BCX. And the last terms, which is B times D, which is BD. So, given two binomials, we're going to use FOIL to simplify the expression. So, we multiply the first terms of each binomial for F, multiply the outer terms of the binomials for O, multiply the inner terms of the binomials for I, multiply the last terms of each binomial using L. And then we're going to add the products and then combine like terms and simplify. So for example number 5, we're going to use FOIL to multiply the binomial. So the binomial is 2x minus 18 times 3x plus 3. So I want you to notice that the first two terms of each binomial, I have it in red here, which is 2x and 3x. So we have 2x times 3x. Plus, we have the outside, or the outer terms, which is 2x times 3. Then we have the inner terms, which is negative 18 times 3x. And then we have the last terms, which is negative 18 times 3. And then we're going to multiply those together. So 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2x times 3 is plus 6x. Minus 18 times 3x is minus 54x. Negative 18 times 3 gives you minus 54. And then if you notice here, the middle terms are what we can combine. So we end up getting 6x squared. 6x minus 54x is minus 48x minus 54. Now over here to your right is just another diagram of how this looks when you're finding the product of each of those terms.